Hey everybody, this is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video is called What's Going On with Nio Stock. Nio CEO William Li stresses importance of product launches and operational efficiency to double sales and achieve profitability by 2026. I had heard first they were going to be profitable by 2027, so now they're saying 2026. Goldman Sachs downgrades Nio to sell, lowering its price target to $390. Citing slow production ramp and limited new models. Nio Incorporated shares are trading lower in the pre-market session on Tuesday. The Chinese EV manufacturer recently marked its 10th anniversary, with the company's founder and chairman, CEO William Li, addressing employees through an internal letter. In this message, Li emphasized the critical importance of the next 2 years for the company's future, reported by CNEV Post. Li outlined key objectives, including the launch of competitive new products and enhancing operational efficiency. These efforts are aimed at doubling Nio's sales in the coming year and achieving profitability by 2026, which he described as non-negotiable goals. Li urged the team to focus their full energy on meeting these targets. This week, Goldman Sachs analyst Tina Hu downgraded Nio from neutral to sell and lowered the price target from $480 to $390, citing competitive pressures and a difficult path to profitability ahead. The analyst notes Nio's unfavorable position heading into 2025, given the slow production ramp of Onvo and the company's limited new model pipeline. Recently, Nio guided deliveries of 72,000 to 75,000 units for the fourth quarter, or 43.9% year-over-year increase. The company expects fourth quarter revenue $2.804 billion to $2.904 billion, representing 15% through 19.2% year-over-year growth. According to Benzinga Pro, Nio stock has lost over 35% in the past year. Investors can gain exposure to the stock via Invesco Golden Dragon China ETF PGJ. Price action. Nio shares are trading lower by 1.29% to 461 pre-market at last check on Tuesday. So what's going on with Nio? One only has to take a look at the chart to see exactly what Nio is doing, or should I say not doing. According to the chart, it's definitely not going up. This is the day chart for Tuesday, November 26th. You can see we're side trading at 463, and it just dropped off severely down to 433, and it continues to be at 433. So I had the month chart pulled up here because I wanted to show you guys something. You can see ever since October 28th, it's done nothing but descend and decline. Take a look at the 3-month chart. See, 3 months was a little bit different. We had it down to 370 in August 28th. Got up to 721 on October 2nd. And then we're almost back to where we started at. Really close. 370. 390 is definitely in the future for Nio. That I'm starting to believe that might be true. As you guys can see, I had purchased 50 shares of Nio. Average cost of $457. I was up $13 at one point, and now I'm down. I'm at negative 12 on it. Negative $12. So Nio's not doing so bueno. It's not doing very good. But a lot of people are looking at this two ways. One, they're looking at it as a stock that has done nothing really for the past 3 years. And they look at it another way, is that they can buy more of it. But at what cost, though? I mean, yeah, it's cheap, but Or you're going to tie up all your capital with a stock that's not really going to go anywhere? And if it is going to go anywhere, how long? There's all different kind of speculations about when it's going to become profitable and all this stuff, but I have yet to see any proof of any of that. So right now, I'm going to keep what I have. I'm not going to add any more shares. I'm going to just keep it like that and just hold that. I mean, it's only 50 shares. I could care less one way or the other. Now people ask about predictions. One prediction I'm going to give you that I will partake in is Bitcoin will go to 200,000 by 2028. That I will hold myself to. So in 4 years, you guys come check back with me. If Bitcoin's not in $200,000 range, well, so sue me. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys, how many shares do you have? What's your average cost? Are you bag holding? How much in a negative are you? Are you guys negative 5K, 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K? What's the highest anybody's got out there? I've been negative 58K back in the 2020 and 2021 range. And do I think that there's going to be a repeat of Nio like there was back then in 2020? As of right now, I'm going to say no. It does not look like the same kind of deal. Doesn't have the same kind of sentiment. I don't think it's going to have the same kind of hype behind it. I think a lot of that was just pump and dump from a lot of the YouTubers back in those days. Stock Mo was one of them, and I forgot who else. There was many people who bought into it and lost a lot of money because of basically a pump and dump scheme. And I think it was a manipulated stock. There were no fundamentals to it. But on the fair side, all the EVs back then were doing a nice run. Li Auto, Xpeng, they had more that fell off now. I think Lucid was in the mix back then, but now Lucid ain't doing a damn thing, so I don't know. I think it used to be called something else too. I can't even remember what it was. But well, that's it for this particular video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you guys will be notified of my daily uploads, which will be Nio videos and other entrepreneurial videos showing you guys how to make as much money as possible. If you guys are interested in those, feel free to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.